Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unbagging whatever is in this Amazon bag. It should be an Innovations of America product. It should be a cable kit for the relay, deluxe relay tester kit. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this should be a Innovations Products of America product. It should be actually a test lead kit for the Innovation Products of America is the brand, but their Relay Buddy, or Relay Kit, not Relay Buddy, but their Relay Kit. Oh, this one is not. This is a test lead kit for relay test jumpers. So this is a jumper kit, but it is not a Innovation Products of America like I thought. This is a Lisle kit. So it is 69200. Test lead kit for relays, test jumpers. Used to easily and securely connect relay test jumper to a multimeter. That's what this is for. So you got a couple banana jacks. These are actually really heavy. Was not expecting them to be that heavy. But these these are for your probes. What the heck I'm thinking. So here's a multimeter. I'll show you guys. You take these caps off. This slides onto your probes. Like so. And then banana jack here, and over here as an example. Boom. And then you could just, whatever one you need, you can run these to relays. That's how that works. You can also do other things with it. You can even connect these to. These are actually similar to like Toyota female circuit plugs, which are the mini spades. Trying to get this up a little closer. There you go. Yeah. So there's two ends. The blue one has one end to one. So a banana jack, where this one is got a tie-in. So you got a connect port here, you got a connect port on this side, and then you have your banana jack. And the yellow one is just like the blue one. It is a pass-through, but they're banana jacks. So it's nice that you got these. You could just slide on to multimeter leads. Boom. Do testing. These are really nicely made. Then when you're done, you need to put the caps back on your multimeter. We can test the resistance on these. As an example. Turn this light off. There you go. Oh, there's glare. There you go. And then turn their auto ranging off. Resistance is 0. There's no resistance in these. That one, no resistance in the banana jack. Let's go here to here. No resistance in this one on that end. What about this end right here? No resistance there. Let's do the two ends as well. Like that is the resistance in running through my body. Zero resistance there. What if I touch it? Now 1.7, kind of all over the place. 1.3 mega ohms to 1.8 to 2.1. But there is no resistance in physical cables, so that's always nice. Just figured I'd show you guys that real quick. Put my multimeter up. So just a small little kit. I'm going to end up throwing it in with this kit right here, which is just some other items. I'm going to throw this. I'm going to throw all this in here. But we're going to move the bag out the way. So just slide the bag over there. So that's what this kit is. It is a Lisle kit 69200, test lead kit for relay test jumpers, which you can just wire this directly to the relay. You can also just use to test relays. You can also use, Lisle has a master kit for a deluxe relay tester, and then the Innovation Products of America, I was thinking theirs are the fuse breakers. I apologize for accidentally messing up the intro of the video, but you know, it happens. It's a nice little kit. These guys are heavy. I was thinking that they were going to be a crap ton lighter. Like these wires, this blue cable is lighter than this plug. This is really heavy duty. For a banana jack to a test lead probe needle point adapter female. It's not bad. I do like the little kit. I think it was only like 20 bucks. I think this one was. Let me look real quick for you guys. This kit, this little Lisle 69200 test lead kit was, it's this kit right here, 16 bucks. And then there's a deluxe relay tester set, which is what I was talking about, this guy right here. And then there is you can get like some of these items separate, like you can get the relay puller pliers separate, relay test jumper. This is just a smaller kit, so this is a 4 relay tester kit. The master kit comes with 8, and then the relay tester jumper kit 2 is these 4 right here. But that's 53 and 51, so it's $104. Where you're looking at 126, and the 104, if you look at it that way, plus the relay puller pliers is 15, so 115. So it's 119 bucks. And then terminal lead and switch. This kit right here is 37, so it'd be 137. 47, 52, or you can just get all of these pieces in that $126 kit. So you actually save about $60 to $70 when you just buy the master kit. The master kits, this deluxe relay tester master kit, though, it does not have, it actually does have this right here, these right here, but it does not have the terminal lead and switch kit. So this kit that's $37, this kit right here, it does not have. So you spend $126 and then spend the $37 on this kit and you'd be set. I just needed this set right here. That's why I thought it was a totally different thing. It's actually not. Innovative Products of America would be this right here. That would be Innovative Products of America. It's a $188 kit, but this is a fuse saver. So these are breakers. So I'm going to put this in this bag for now, and then when I go grab my kit, I will throw these in the main kit. That way I have extras. It never hurts to have, you know, instead of having one of the blue ones, I have two. Instead of one yellow, I have two. And instead of one green, I have two. And instead of just two of these for 1 meter, I have 4. So I can use 2 multimeters or 2 different meters, or a graphing meter or a digital meter, whatever it is. But just a quick video, guys. I wanted to show you the small little item I picked up for master kit that I have. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. If you need the information, it is Lisle 69200. If you guys need to pick this up, you know, it's not very expensive. Do appreciate you guys stopping by as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!